We have Kentucky versus 16th seed Louisville. We got the Kentucky showdown tonight. Let's get it. Okay, to start off the ball, Kentucky will receive it. Turnover. Louisville's ball. Looks like they're going to throw it. And it's thrown deep to Green. It's looking like Green will take it all the way. On their first play of the game, they will get a touchdown. No questions asked. They are really taking care of business right now. And it's caught by Green. Green is on fire tonight. Kentucky will get possession of the ball. And another turnover by Kentucky. Rolling will take it down the side. It's thrown deep again, and Green will catch it. It's looking like Green will take it all the way again. Tonight is Green's night. Will he take it? He dodges a tackle, but then gets tackled by two people. Rolling will run it. He takes it right through the middle. Takes it 3 yards. Another run. Kentucky was not expecting it. 3 yards on the drive. 1 yard away from the touchdown. They will push it right on through, but lose 2 yards on the drive. 4th down. They will not go for it. They will go for the field goal here. The field goal is made. And a touchdown by Kentucky. And they get the 2-point conversion. They will take it. He's going down the side, on the sideline. Gets 22 yards on the play. And it's thrown deep. The QB had to get the ball out of his hands. They were rushing at him like hungry tigers going after prey. I mean, they are the Wildcats. Boom. Their second string quarterback, Hageman, was benched because of their 2 freshman receivers. But one of their freshman receivers was suspended because of grades. So that's why you guys see a new receiver on the field. Hageman is a senior now. He did not declare for the draft. He wanted to stay 1 more year and see what he could do. And he's not getting that much of an opportunity this year. And it's an incomplete pass. Another incomplete pass. Boom! Oh no, another incomplete pass. What will they do? They will go for it. And a turnover by Louisville. Kentucky scored the field goal. They will get it. They will take it. And he goes down the sideline. Gets tackled. Takes it 23 yards. Up and it's deep. Hageman gets it. The QB rolls out. He hems him up. And that is the end of the first half. Kickoff. He's looking to throw it, and it's up. And their tight end catches it. And he's at the 50, the 40, the 30. It's looking like he's going to get tackled. And he gets tackled, but he takes it 59 yards. What a great receiving play. Boom. Hageman gets his first touchdown of the game. What an amazing, amazing drive. They will go for the field goal, and it's in there. Kentucky gets the ball back, but they turn it over. Quarterback takes it 4 yards on the run. Boom. Green catches it. Green gets tackled. Running back gets tackled there. He's looking. No one's currently open, and he gets sacked. Boom. And it's caught by the tight end Lock. He will take it to the... He did not take it to the touchdown there, but wide open. Green takes it down the sideline and gets the touchdown. He could not be caught there. Boom. And a field goal made right there. Snaps for it. And it's intercepted on the play. He's trying not to get tackled, and it's a safety. Kentucky punted it. They're trying to make up for that safety, so they give it to Hageman. Hageman looking like he's going to take it all the way, but he gets stopped at the 4-yard line. Minus 1 yard. Very bad. Boom. Touchdown by Lock. 12 seconds left in the fourth quarter. They're going to win this game. He gets sacked. And they win 39-13.